Wellness warrior. I'm curious to know if you would rather be normal and like everybody else, or would you rather lose weight and be healthy? We want to be thin without feeling deprived, and we think that food companies take advantage of that. And I can see why we would think that. Most people have the mindset that they should do what everyone else is doing, even if everyone else is not accomplishing the goal that they want. And they fill their diet in with chips, cookies, ice cream, chocolate, these unhealthy things, expecting their bodies to look like those of models, but then they're frustrated when they don't look like a model. But I want you to look around. Does the average person have a body of a model? So if the average person doesn't have the body of a model, why are we blaming food companies for that? If your goal is to be at your healthy weight, you need to model yourself after people that are living their life at their healthy weight. And I'll be honest with you, for a long time, I blamed food companies for my obesity because I felt like they didn't care about me. And guess what? They don't. No company is going to care about me and my health issues. And so the person who needs to care about me and my health issues is me. Once I understood that, everything changed. So my behavior actually changed. Here's the reality, Wellness Warrior. Food companies want to sell products to make money. And the more they sell, the more profits that they make. When I eat donuts for breakfast, I grab fast food like burger or pizza for lunch, and then have that healthy granola bar for a snack, the food companies achieve their goal of making money, so making a profit, but I do not achieve my goal of being healthy. And back in the day, when our weight was rising and companies were being asked to make healthier snacks, right? They asked the food companies to cut down on the sugar and, less fat and they asked food companies to make their foods healthier for us. The food companies blamed us. And I will say that they were still right. We were the ones buying the products and eating them despite getting fat. And then we actually started feeding those things to our kids who are also now obese. That's something that's new, Wellness Warrior, in the history of us being on the planet, that more of the population is obese than in shape, and that our children are obese, never seen before in the history of the planet. And what do we do about it? We beg the companies to make healthier versions of the processed garbage rather than not buying it. Well, what did the companies do? They doubled down on salt, sugar, and fat research to make sure that they sold even more products to us. And then they told us to figure our health out, right? You figure out how to be thin. We're not changing anything. I really have a hard time blaming them. What I'm trying to get you to understand, Wellness Warrior, is that the company doesn't change their goal from make money to a goal of make Violet healthier, because that would mean that they would make less money. That's exactly the opposite of their goal. If they make less money, maybe the company can't expand, can't keep on all the employees that it's trying to keep on to survive. It makes sense for this company, if it wants to stay profitable and stay in business, to make as much money as possible. It has shareholders to satisfy, like all the things that happens in business. It's not the company's job to make healthier processed food, as much as we may want that. And let's add to this that according to Dr. Nobe, processed food is by definition nutrient deficient. And so how would they couldn't even accomplish that if they were trying to accomplish it. Companies don't let go of their goals. We're the ones that keep letting go of ours, right? Everybody says that they want weight loss and they want good health. But when it's time to choose what to eat, our health go out the window and we end up pleasure seeking. I had a hard day and I deserve insert garbage of your choice, whether it's cookies, ice cream, or chocolate. This idea that I deserve a treat is ruining my health and causing my weight to rise. I want us to be realistic and actually succeed. But if we don't take responsibility for our weight gain, we keep ourselves stuck in this stupid loop. The standard diet is based on processed food. Every meal has bread, pasta, or sauces of some sort to make sure that we are always eating a nice steady flow of seed oils and high fructose corn syrup. Our weight is rising, our health is declining, and companies are steadfast in the goal to make more money. They won't change their goals, wellness warrior, so you need to stop changing yours. Their whole model is based on the idea that junk food is more fun than healthy food, and we deserve some fun. But I want you to see that healthy living, so being in a healthy body, is even more fun than junk food. They never change their focus on making money to help us get healthy. Do not change your goal of getting your healthy weight back to make them money. It's their job to sell the product, so that garbage, and it's your job to eat real food. Put down all processed foods, and you'll be amazed at how your health improves. To help you put down the processed garbage, I have this video that I want you to check out next. So click on the link and I'm gonna meet you over there.